Okay, so 3a. 3 multiplied by a, 3, 6, 1, 4, negative 2, 0, and 2b. Okay, just scalar multiplication and then addition. So you multiply with all the 3 in, you get 9, 18, 3, 12, negative 6, 0, and then negative 6, 4, negative 6, 4, negative 2, 2, negative 8, 10. And then we're just adding the same entries. 9 minus 6 is 3, 14, 22, negative 14, 1, and 0.